Hello, welcome to this updated step-by-step guide on how to set up and access your online My Red Cross profile. Before we get started, if you continue to have issues with your online portion or do not receive access to it, please contact us. In this video, I will walk you through the steps on how to set up your My Red Cross profile, access and complete the online portion of your class, and how to get your certificate. Once the online portion has been assigned to you, you will receive an email from the Canadian Red Cross. If you have never created an account with the Red Cross, it will say Action Required, register for your new Red Cross account. Click the email to open it. This email will welcome you to the training, state the course type you have registered for, and provide instructions on how to set up your account and begin your training. If you are confused, you can read through these instructions here at any time. At the top of the instructions, there's a link to click to register your account. Click this. The link will open a new tab on the Canadian Red Cross website. You will see an invitation code. This code is made specially for you. If you have an existing account, check this box. If not, click on Validate and Register. You will be brought to a new page where you can either log in or create a new account. Since we do not have an account with the Red Cross, we will click on Sign Up Now. The next page you will see will require you to enter your email address. Please be sure to enter the email you used when registering for your course. Once you finish typing in your email, click the blue Send Verification code. This will send you an automatic email. Go back to your email and refresh it if needed. You will see an email from Microsoft on behalf of the Canadian Red Cross. That is your verification code. Copy the code. This will be a short number. Go back to the Canadian Red Cross tab on your browser and paste this code into the verification code box. Click the Verify Code button. Now you may come up with a password for your account. This must follow the criteria required by Red Cross. Confirm your password by typing it out again. Then click the Create button below. Once the password is accepted, you will be brought to a new page that has your information on it. Confirm that the spelling of your name is correct. If it is not, please update it and contact Coast to Coast to inform us of the change. Scroll down to the section about sharing information. Read each point and choose to opt in or out of sharing your information. For example, I do not want Red Cross to share my contact information with training partners in my area, so I will uncheck the box. Hit Submit when you are ready. Now your submission is complete. To access your online course, hover over My Profile. This will show you a drop-down menu with various options. Click on My Online Courses to see any course you are registered for. Once the page loads, you will see your course and the date you were added to it. It will have the name of your course. Here, you will be asked to choose a language for your course. The options are English or French. Since I speak English, I will activate the course in English. Click the blue Activate button. It will warn you that your selection is irreversible. If you are happy with your selection, click Yes. Now you may enter your course to begin the online portion by clicking the green button on the right. Here, you will see the start of your online portion. On the left, you have a table of contents. You may not skip forward in the content. Go through each slide by clicking Next at the top or bottom of the page. Each page will provide you valuable information on your course. You may change the font size up here. The default is medium, but you can make it smaller or larger. And once you get to the end of each module, you will need to complete a short quiz. You must pass this quiz to continue with your course. If you fail the quiz, you will need to start that module over. If you want to exit the online portion at any time, you are welcome to do so. Your progress will be saved. Click on the Exit Course area at the top right of the page. This is helpful as you may want to complete the online portion over multiple days, not just in one sitting. You may enter the course again at any time. Once I enter, I will see the page that I left off on. During the online portion, you will have access to a glossary. You may access this at the top of the page. This will have every important word that you will stumble upon during your course. You may search up the words by their first letter. There is also a section for accessibility adjustments on the bottom left. This is a small red circle with a stick figure in the middle. You can make changes to help if you are prone to seizures, if you are vision impaired, have ADHD, and so much more. For example, you can change the colors. If you don't like how it looks, simply turn off the features you enabled by clicking on that red circle again. Now my settings are back to normal. If you're done looking at the glossary, you can go back to your course by clicking on the Back to Course on the top right. This will bring you back to where you left off. You may also choose to exit the course area at any time. If you'd like to access your book or view your certificate, you will need to go to myrc.redcross.ca. This will bring you to the main page of the Canadian Red Cross website. On the top right, you will see your name if you are logged in. You can change your password or sign out from there. Hover over My Profile again. From the drop-down, you may select My Digital Books to view an ebook for your course. Here's a list of all available ebooks. Since I am registered for Standard First Aid and CPR Level C, I only have access to the Comprehensive Guide for First Aid and CPR. When I click on that book, it will load the book up. Use this as a reference for your course. This book does not have to be read for your training. If I click back and try to select a book for a course I am not registered for, it will give me an access denied error. For example, to view your certifications, hover over My Profile again. Click on My Certifications. Once the page loads, you will see all certifications you've received under this account. Since I have not completed the course, my certificate has not been generated. You will receive your certificate through email within 5 to 10 business days of completing the in-class portion of your training. If you have any questions related to your course, please contact us by our toll-free number at 866-291-9121. You may also visit our website at www.c2cfirstaidAquatics.com. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you. Don't forget to watch some of our other informational videos by clicking on our profile. We look forward to teaching you the skills and knowledge required to help save a life.